Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all board director and my fellow colleagues. I am Mak Zakwam bin Mak Saleh as a senior manager of human resources department for this company. Would like to say thank to all the members of the meeting for giving me this opportunity to present a report related to the team building program that was organized by the Human Resources Department last week. For your information, our company Human Resources Department has organized a team building program. The program was held from 18 to 20 of September 2020 for 3 days and 2 nights. The organizers have chosen Kelumpan Resort and Training Center located at Selangor as the location to run this program due to the distance factor as well as sufficient facility to launch the program. The participants involved in this team building program consists of our company administrative and support staff. The number of participants involved in this program is 30 people in total. Prior to the program, the organizers have completed the paperwork and budget required to implement this program and have received approval and support from the company. This team building program is conducted to increase identity, productivity, and team spirit among participants, as everyone definitely believes that if an organizer has unity among the members, then it will be stronger and not easily shaken if the organization need to face a major crisis. United attitude is necessary in mobilizing an organization success in the future. I will continue the presentation of my report this morning with full tentative of the program. All participants were asked together in the company lobby before depart with the bus provide. They were given a simple briefing on the program. Junior, Rockley, and has been given their accommodation information to facilitate their movement after reaching the program venue. They departed at about 3 p.m. and arrived at the program venue around 5 p.m. Upon arrival at the venue, they were asked to get some rest while waiting for the program to start at night. Around 7 p.m., all Muslim participants were required to perform Maghrib and Isha prayer in congregation, while as for others were free to carry out activity according to the needs of their respective religion. The congregation Maghrib and Isha prayer were led by Ustaz Firdaus bin Abdullah, who was a religious teacher SMK Sri Intan. He was also responsible as a guest for religious season through the program. While waiting for Isha pray, the participants listened to a religious talk by Ustaz Firdaus entitled Keberkatan dalam Rezeki. This talk remind everyone to always be honest and sincere in doing their work to ensure a blessing for themselves and their families. After the prayer, all the participants gathered in the seminar hall for the opening ceremony of the program. The opening ceremony was officiated by the head of operation in Human Resources Department, Mr. Muhammad bin Abbas, with a brief speech and reminded to the participants to use the opportunities throughout the program as possible to get to know each other and build positive relationship. To achieve the mission and vision of the company and progress in life as individual. After the opening ceremony, the program began with the first team building activity called ice breaking. In this season, there are several activities were carried out to give space to the participants to get to know each other and then find common ground between them. The first activity was called thinking in common. In this game, the host will instruct the participants to divide according to their respective group based on the answer to the given statement. For example, the host will tell the participant to spell it according to their respective birth month, so the participant will communicate with each other to find a group born in the same month as them. The second game in this season is called Whodunit. In this game, the participant will be given a piece of paper and a pen to write 3 interesting things about themselves or stranger things they have done. Then the paper will be collected in a jar. A participant will be randomly selected to pick the people and guess who meet the characteristics as stated in the selected paper. The participant was then asked to state the reason why they chose the individual to be associated with the characteristics as in the paper. This activity trained participants to use telepathy in number of situations that are necessary if working in group. For Saturday, attentive, the activity start as early as 7:30 a.m. which are morning exercise and Zumba activity. Then they spotted for breakfast and continue the next activity at 9 a.m. This activity, called as Desert Survivor, it required participants to select only a few important items to enable them to survive this program and to assess the speed of decision making during critical moment, and also the spirit of to defend on each other so that everyone can be safe and not just being selfish. This activity lasts for 3 consecutive hours. Then they take a break and ready for lunch and Zoho prayer. The performance that night called the Unity Talent Night. Many of them managed to show their hidden talent for singing, acting, and so on. The purpose of the Unity Anti-Talent Night was to familiarize the participants to always be ready to complete it. The task will, despite being given a short time only for preparation and training, as well as showing their personal talents. In addition, while entertaining, the participant can also experience all the moral value applied in each performance. Next activity is the classic game called Karate. Participants have to make a luggage cycle and a ball will be passed randomly until the music stop. Anyone holding the ball while the music is being stopped will go to the center of the cycle to explain the characteristics of an object, person, song, or movie using only gesture without any word. The other participant will guess based on the acting and gesture carried out in Module 1. Ice breaking are intended to provide space for participants to get to know each other and be close to each other regardless of rank and department. The ice breaking season ends at 11:30 p.m. and the participants have supper before the break to get ready for the next day activity. The next activity starts at 2 weeks, which the marketing innovation activity. Participants will be divided into several small groups and they will be provided with one object. They need to innovate the object so that it has market value for sale. After all the discussion and brainstorming, they need to convince others to buy their innovative item. This activity aims to mobilize the creativity of participants to innovate, as well as improve marketing skill on how to convince customers to buy their goods. Various other skills are also need to streamline their sales. This activity lasts until 5 p.m. There are various interesting ideas that were successfully generated by the participants and each highlighted their own strength to answer the joint venture was a big success. In the evening, they were given some free time to prepare for the night show. The names given for the presentation was until